Elshi, and Sweet Guluva. They did it. They did it once again. This time they went to Durban, where there was Ricky Ross, and
Durban, thank you for having the biggest boss, Ricky Rose. I love it. I love it. Some chill shit. What that is over there?
This is going downstairs. The stairs that go downstairs.
Okay. Just letting y'all see my vibe. I'm finna enjoy. Durban, South Africa. So beautiful. This that Boss Villa. This that Shaka Zulu legend.
I don't know how you feel, bro. Like, I'm sure some of you saw the video where they were introduced to the stage, man. After what he said, you know who I'm talking about. The one was trying to get some attention from people by saying nasty things about Sweet Guluva's fans. Let me be specific, and I felt bad. Anyway, let's watch the video where he did introducing introduce or welcoming Sweet Guluva and Ashley to the stage. And I like the way he said he regret what he said about Sweet Guluva, because now he have to do the work, So hey man, watch the video. I hope you're going to enjoy, and please man, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And yeah man, let's grow the channel. I'm out of here.
Yo, as I fall. Yo, ufulfata Annabazal. Introduced by the peak moment. Switch your phones on. Switch the lights off. Switch your phones on. I will bring the gift for you. And switch off the lights. Switch off the lights. Switch on your phones. Haribo Nagela. Haribo Nagela. Isenga lingane. Kaizer, I give you